Introducing Garmin Speak with Amazon Alexa. What you love about Amazon Alexa, now in your vehicle. Just say, Alexa, to make things happen. Enjoy your music, your playlists, your way. Access news, weather, sports, stock markets, and more. Turn words into actions by asking Alexa to order stuff and make lists. Say, Alexa, ask Garmin to get visual and spoken turn-by-turn directions. Remotely manage smart home devices, lights, locks, thermostat. Passengers will be entertained with games, jokes, and trivia. Choose from thousands of skills in the Alexa Skills Store. Stream through car stereo via Bluetooth or aux. You'll be amazed at the places you can go with Garmin Speak with Amazon Alexa.
Thank you for choosing the EasyViz Mini Trooper. This video will walk you through the steps for Wi-Fi setup of your device. First, plug in your base station and insert the batteries into your camera. When the LED turns blue, tap the EasyViz button on the base station and then press and hold the camera's sync button for 6 seconds. Open your EasyViz app and tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. Scan the QR code and choose Connect to Network. Now choose the wireless connection option. Make a note of the base station's Wi-Fi name and password. Tap Change Network to connect your mobile phone to the base station Wi-Fi network. Next, exit the Wi-Fi setup, then open your EasyViz app to follow the setup wizard for the uplink router. When you are prompted for the internet connection mode, choose Wi-Fi Relay Internet Access and continue the setup wizard. Connect your mobile device back to your home Wi-Fi network or use the mobile data. Now, open the EasyViz app and you will soon see your base station has been added to your EasyViz account. For the best experience, please make sure to update your firmware to the latest version. Enjoy using your wire-free Mini Trooper, and thanks again for being a part of the EasyViz family.
This is the Real Avid Pistol Tool, the first multi-tool designed to work on all striker fires, 1911s, and revolvers. This compact profile houses 19 precision tools, non-marring bushing wrenches for both 1911 government and officer models. 4 onboard Bondus Protanium hex keys for adjusting all laser sighting systems. Stored in the handle are flat, Phillips, hex, and Torx bits with ball detents that lock into a 2.5-inch long bit driver. A detachable pin punch makes takedown easy. Paired with a tap hammer for stubborn pins.
An 832 threaded receiver pivots from the handle and accepts standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes.
A non-hardened stainless steel picked scraper combination cleans crud from slide rails and other hard-to-reach places. There's a rugged 3-inch titanium-coated Tonto-style knife. And a fine-tooth metal file. An incredible number of tools compact enough to fit in your mag pouch. The Real Avid Pistol Tool. It keeps your trigger finger happy.
Introducing Garmin Speak with Amazon Alexa. What you love about Amazon Alexa, now in your vehicle. Just say, Alexa, to make things happen. Enjoy your music, your playlists, your way. Access news, weather, sports, stock markets, and more. Turn words into actions by asking Alexa to order stuff and make lists. Say, Alexa, ask Garmin to get visual and spoken turn-by-turn directions. Remotely manage smart home devices, lights, locks, thermostat. Passengers will be entertained with games, jokes, and trivia. Choose from thousands of skills in the Alexa Skills Store. Stream through car stereo via Bluetooth or aux. You'll be amazed at the places you can go with Garmin Speak with Amazon Alexa. Introducing Garmin Speak with Amazon Alexa.
When my grandfather Nat founded the Tiffin Company, his philosophy was simple. Find out what the customer wants and give it to them. 2 years ago, we asked our engineers at Steadicam headquarters in Burbank to create the best electronic handheld stabilizer with no limitations. We took our Steadicam technology that's been used in Hollywood for the last 40 years and coupled it with Steve Wagner's genius software design. And by partnering with aerial drone manufacturer Unique, it allowed us to create the Steadicam Vault, the best electronic handheld stabilizer with no limitations.
The Steadicam Volt, like all its predecessors, is an expanded system with a center of gravity right at a gimbal. It accepts any phone, any case, that allows you to walk around, precisely frame the things that you want to see, and move the camera in the way that we're used to seeing on a feature film. It's an electronically gyro-augmented Steadicam for smartphones that weighs 1 pound with the inertia and the feel of a big 40-pound rig.